Hey, Miguel Martinez Juarez here. So I'm doing a review again. I figured, hey, I just bought the Amazon flavor weight isolate. Okay, I just got it. You can see right there. The name of it, the Amazon brand is called SOLIMO. SOLIMO. Okay, so I got chocolate flavor, 30 grams of protein per serving. That's 30 grams of protein per serving. Come on, look at my little fridge. I'm gonna miss that one because I'm getting a bigger one. Yeah, just so I can fit more stuff in there. Yeah, I just moved into this apartment. That's why it's so I have that small one. I had to get something fast. Okay, so let me do this. Okay, set this down. Okay. So let's look at the supplement facts. 150 calories, 1.5 fat. So it does have fat. 3 grams carbohydrates, 3 grams of sugar. So it does have sugar. The 3 grams is sugar. Okay, and 30 grams of protein, which is a hefty amount. Yeah, it's a good hefty amount. Okay, has some calcium, 130 milligrams, iron, a little bit, not insignificant. Sodium, 115. Okay, a little bit. And the main ingredients: whey protein isolate. Okay. Everything else just like chocolate flavor, whey protein concentrate, and some chocolate flavor. Okay, so it's a basic. That's all you need. You don't want anything else in there. You don't want some other stuff. You don't know what's in there. Okay, there's other ingredients, right? But I'll read the next three. Okay, whey protein concentrate, cocoa, natural and artificial chocolate flavor, salt, natural flavor. Okay, and then that's about it. There's two more other ones, but you know. The good thing is not a lot of stuff. Okay. Whoa, this is a big scoop. Whoa. Whoa. All right, so there's a little bit left in there. It's just I filled it up too much with water. Oh, it's a little messy around here. Okay, I need a bigger cup. I need a bigger cup. Oh wow, that's really good. Okay, so I can put it in here so I can spin it. Now I can do this. Time of truth. Okay. The light just flickered? Wow. I needed to mix that a little bit more, but it's really good. Good chocolate flavor. Not bad. It's good. You know what it tastes like? Whoppers or Whoopers, what are they called? Little chocolate thing, they're called Whoppers. So if you like Whoppers, that's what it tastes like. Honestly, no joke. So it's really good. Highly recommend it. Okay, I got this one because I really needed a guess like a last minute protein. I have a subscription based whey protein. I have the GNC brand that I have on subscription basis, so it comes every month. But this one I wanted to get right away, so that's why I bought it. And it's just really good. It's really good investment. Okay, it's very the price is reduced, very reduced compared to the other whey protein isolates. This one's around $20. You buy another one, it's $35, $40. So it's really good. Okay, highly recommend it. All right, I hope you like this one, and thank you. If you want to get this for yourself, link is in my bio. Link is in the description. I'm gonna get it on the scoop.